Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Roadcraft. This is the third episode in the final mission in the demo. So the Roadcraft demo you can get right now at Steam and Steam.com. You get 3 really good missions, demo missions, and then it's an open world. So even if when the missions are over, if you want to keep playing, you can. And you've got until May 20th when the game comes out. Anyway, so you might as well mess around with it and um, learn all you can. Oh, not great. Big hole. You can see the yellow beam there showing me where my marker is, and it's not going to be easy just getting there. Ugh. I think there's a rock underneath of me. No. Am I high centered? There's a rock. No, 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 no. And the thing about these trucks, yeah, there's a rock right there. They do not come with a winch. I think I mentioned that before, but people have complained that there's no winch, and maybe that'll be an add-on in the full game. So let's avoid getting high-centered again. We're going to try to get right up to the pipe if we can. We don't have a extremely long boom. And there's rocks there, and the water might be really deep, but I'm going to try to go right here between those rocks. There we go. And there's the broken pipe. So we're going to put our brake on and also put our anchors out just to give us some stability. Whoa. Okay. Let's go. I think I can just grab this and pull it out of here. It's broken, so it doesn't really matter. Yep, there we go. So it is available to salvage, but let's also unstrap, and then we'll grab this one that's, since we have a ways to travel still, what we want to do is grab this one that's sticking out. Okay, let's see. Let's go up. There we go. Up. And it has to be green in order to replace it, so we need to swing it. Swing it. This way. There we go. There we go. Oh, let's go up with the rope. It has to be consistently green, so let's go down a little bit, over a little bit, right here. If you don't get it right, it will release and fall. So we want to make sure it's green. Go down. I should be close here. Yep, and detach. Perfect. So while we're here, we'll go ahead and pick this one up too. Not that we need it. This will be the end of the mission, I guess, right? So don't really need it, but we'll take it with us. It's good practice. I need all the practice I can get in working with these cranes. Especially with loading cargo. Cranes are a little bit awkward for sure. Okay. Down, down, and back. No, this way. Okay, let's shorten the rope. And bring the boom in. No, let's lengthen the rope. And bring the boom in. Ah, no. Other way. Okay, let's call that good. Let's release and pack that up and strap it on. And take the anchors off, and then we have to get out of here. So that's not as easy as it sounds, because we came in forward and we kind of have to leave backwards. Got a big rock in our way. I try to bully my way through it. Come on, let's go. Okay, what I'd like to do is back in here and turn around. Let's see, all our gears on? No, we're not. We were in two-wheel drive, so I don't necessarily want to drive over the rock. There we go. We will get out to the road again, and then we'll check our set our GPS coordinates for the next pipe. If we don't get high centered first. I mean, any one of these rocks could be the end of your mission, you know? And then you'd have to go get another pipe or go get more recyclable materials and go through that whole process again. So, not what you really want to do. So you want to be a good driver here and be careful where you go. Watch the rocks mostly. I don't think the water is too deep. It's mostly the rocks that are the issue. So here we are out to the road. Let's check our map. And this time we are headed to right here. Oof. Okay. So this one's going to be a little tricky. I'll come back and fix this road another day. That's a whole nother episode, just making a nice road system here. That would be fun, actually. This is a beast of a truck, able to do all of this. So there we have it. All objectives completed.